Flooded with natural light from oversized windows, this immaculate, lightly lived-in home feels warm, bright, and welcoming. The soaring entryway opens to an easy living floor plan featuring an oversized quartz-island kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a stone surround gas fireplace. The fenced, turfed backyard offers low-maintenance enjoyment while the HOA maintains the front yard. Upstairs, you'll find all bedrooms, a generous landing, a laundry room with sink, and a serene primary suite with soaking tub and tile shower. Upgraded to include epoxy floors in the garage, gutters installed, and air conditioning. Enjoy community perks, including use of the pool, plus quick access to miles of trails at Pine Nursery and Alpenglow parks. Tucked into the established, desirable